Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is tobinmua. If you are new, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is this fun, fall, colorful makeup tutorial. And if you guys are into fun, colorful looks for fall, then this is the video for you. Don't forget to click that subscribe button before you go, as well as the bell right next to it so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And let's get on to the tutorial. So today's video, I already have my brows and my eyes primed and set. So today we're going to be playing in color again. I love playing in color. I did do a neutral look on my Instagram. If you haven't checked that out, just check out my Instagram. I will pop up a little thing right there so you can go over to my Instagram and then, you know, look at that photo. But today I thought I would film a tutorial and do a colorful look for you guys. I love doing colorful looks, as you know from my channel. It's nothing new. So yeah, so we're just gonna get into it. I'm gonna go in with this blue shade. I'm gonna take that into the crease. Next shade, I'm gonna grab this purple. I'm gonna place that in the crease. Then I want to put, like a shimmer shade on the lid. So I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to, I think I'm going to take this purple shade right here and I'm going to just place that on the lid. It almost in a way gives that purple a little bit of a shift. Okay, so I think I'm done with the top eyes. I'm going to clean this up really quick. So for my foundation, I'm using the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation. Okay, so I got a little bit. Now I did prime ahead of time. I used the Embryolisse makeup primer. And try and get one more layer out of this, but for the most part, I'm pretty sure, yeah. I've hit the bottom of the barrel with this one. I'm gonna need to buy a new one. Just wiping this. I freaking love this foundation, guys. This is the, like I said, it's the Milani one, and it is so good. please ignore the fact that one side of my face is darker than the other side. That's because I have one light on this side and I have another light on this side. I'm gonna need to order like new lighting so I can get lights on both sides. So that will be coming very, very soon. A new lighting setup, hopefully also a new filming room. Crossed fingers. We'll see what about that. Let's do concealer now. And the concealer I'm using is the Makeup Revolution concealer. This is in C3. It is about to finish pretty much, but I need to get the last drop of that one out. I'm gonna go in with my NYX. Actually, I don't think this is the NYX one. I think this is LA Girl. I think I put like the LA Girl one in there, and then I'm going to use a little bit of C12 from Makeup Revolution concealer. Blend that out with my beauty blender. But very carefully, because I got a sharp line. So concealer is on. Gonna take that concealer elsewhere. So now that I have the concealer done, I'm going to set my face. So I'm going to set my face with a little bit of my Beauty Mark face powder. This is what it looks like. And just take a big fluffy brush and just pat. I don't like that brush. The feeling of it feels so weird. I don't know, that brush feels so weird to me. Okay, so now that we have face powder done, I can go into the bottom lash line, which I'm going to, I think I want to do the blue. Should I do like both the purple and the blue? I think I'll do both purple and blue. Just have to get my favorite little, I'm actually going to use the Morphe E18 brush. I'm going to dip into the purple first. I got that purple on. Now I'm gonna go in with that blue. I'm going to take my M507 brush or 506 and just blend the blue. And take the slightest amount of the blue, just tap it in. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in and put a little more purple. So now that is what the eyes look like, I'm going to go in with mascara and lashes, and I will be right back. So lashes and mascara are on, and the mascara and lashes I'm using the Dodo Lashes D105s. I love these ones. These ones are perfect for super dramatic looks, only because they aren't super like in your face, but they're in your face, but they're not in your face, and they also like display the makeup really nicely. They showcase the makeup really nicely, so I really like these, and they're wispy and they're just really nice. For like, these can even be good for like an everyday look, which this has been an everyday look for me before. Yeah, like dramatic looks are like everyday looks for me. I don't know about you, but they are for me. And then the mascara I'm using is the Lash Paradise Voluminous Mascara from L'Oreal. I had to purchase a new one of these because I finished my old one, and my old one also was getting gross, and the stopper like popped out, and then, you know, so I just had to buy a new one. But love this mascara so much. This I think is like my third one. Okay, so I pretty much have contoured, done all that stuff. Now onto highlight. I'm going to be using my highlight that I created. So yeah, let me find, where's my highlight brush? There it is. So I'm just going to take that. It is actually a lavender shade, and I'm just going to take that on my highlighting brush, tap off the accents. So nice. Can't even focus, it's so pretty. On the tear duct. So now that I'm going to spritz my face with the dried peach setting spray, and I am literally almost done with it. I freaking love this setting spray. Okay, so for lips I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Catsuit liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Nudie Patootie. I'm going to put a little bit of brown sugar from Kylie Cosmetics. Now that we have the lips done, that is the final look of this colorful, I could call it a colorful fall look, because I mean, some of us enjoy playing in colors during fall, so this could be a colorful fall tutorial. I like that. I think I like that. I might call it that. But so this is the finished look of the tutorial. So that is it. I also wanted to let you guys know that you guys have, I think, like a couple more days or like a week till my giveaway video is closed. So I will have a link below if you guys do want to go check out that video. And yeah, I think that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Both those are at tobinmua. And let me know what you guys want to see next on my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.